Yesterday, when I was young, the days in life is sweet, like rain upon my tongue. At least I say, is where the coolest day, the way you named and embrace, will tease that never play. The clouds don't bring my dream, the spirit inside her. I always speechless when we can see this air. I live a night of sun that make me like the day, and only now I see how the years have flown away. Yesterday, when I was young, there was so many songs that waited for the sun. The ladies don't want me. It's so I think my bloody eyes refuse to see. I read so fast the time when you lost my life. I never stopped to think what life was all about. In every conversation that I can recall, the sun is still with me, and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every place today brought something new to do. And you so magically, I said the word I want. I never saw the winds, I gave the mist beyond. I gave a love a play, with a permanent surprise. And never played, never lived, so quickly die. What friends are made of sin, somehow to drift away. And only left the stakes to ever play. Yesterday, when I was young, there was so many songs that waited to be sung. Great story for me, and so much made my dazzled eyes look used to see. But it's done for many